Hey there, my name is Misha. I'm here today at Hawthorne House in Summit Point, West Virginia with Huff Productions, and today I'm going to be showing you my take on an espresso martini. So I want this to be a really frothy espresso martini, so what I'm going to do first is combine heavy whipping cream with my instant espresso, and then use my handy dandy electric whisk to get a really nice fluffy texture to start with, then add in my spirit and my liqueur, build it that way, and when I strain this into a coupe glass, it should end up with a really nice thick head. Not everybody has espresso machines in their house, I understand that, so if you want to use a shot of espresso, please go for it, but I'm going to use around a teaspoon of instant espresso. And especially with instant espresso, a little bit goes a long way. It's very bitter, so you don't want to overdo it. And then around a tablespoon and a half of heavy whipping cream. Now I'm going to use the handy dandy electric whisker and just fluff this up as much as possible. This is helpful because the cream is obviously meant to be whipped and fluff up itself, but we also want the instant espresso to dissolve properly and all the way through. You don't want any grains of espresso in this drink, so this is going to help a lot with that. Thick boy, a thick ass boy. Once it doubles in volume inside your shaker, you're ready to move on to the next step. So I'm going to add around a teaspoon of vanilla extract to start. And then we'll be using equal parts coffee liqueur and the charanda, around 1.5 ounces each. Now we're just gonna add ice to the shaker and give it a really good shake. Around a cup of ice. Make sure that top is locked in there and just give it a really good shake for around 15 to 20 seconds. Got our chilled coupe glass, strainer, into the coupe it goes. And look how frothy that is. Make a little twist with it and that'll go on the rim of the glass. You can accent a little bit of the oils and scent from the lemon peel onto the edges of the glass. Make sure to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on more cooking, baking, and drink tutorials, and I'll catch you guys next time.